This is 2.4.13b, and from 2.2.11 we found the CDF. We're supposed to find the 80th percentile. Well, the 80th percentile means find the x value that has 80% to the left. So, I mean, I have no idea what this curve looks like. It might be something like this. I have no idea. But it's saying find the x value that has 80% of the area to the left. So to do that, we just set our CDF equal to 0.8 and solve for x. Now, I'm going to assume that you were trying to do this like by hand or actually solve this quadratic. It's not a quadratic. This equation with x to the fourth and an x squared. You could maybe try and do this by factoring or something, but I would never try or ask you to do that. Use a calculator. And if your calculator can't do it, use something online like Wolfram Alpha. So we'll just say 0.8 is equal to this 4 out of 819 times 65x squared minus x to the fourth over 4. Oh, wait. Minus 4,000 and solve for x. So I'll come over here to Wolfram Alpha. Make it so I can see both of them. And then have fun typing that in. So let's see. So 0.8 is equal to 4 out of 819 times 65 x. Sorry, I don't usually use this keyboard, but my keyboard is out of power. Okay, that's better. 65 x squared minus x to the fourth over 4 minus 4,000 and solve for x. So you'll notice Wolfram Alpha, I just type it in, say solve for x, and it gives me some nice quadratic. Let's see, I'd rather have an approximate form. So coming back over here, I can say that x equals plus or minus 10.694 or plus or minus 12.068. But here's the thing. You can't have 4 different 80th percentiles. There can only be one x value. But remember, what is our range? We only care about x's between 10 and 11. So the only one of those that would be between 10 and 11 is a positive 10.694. So the 80th percentile, the x value that has 80% to the left of it, would be 10.694. I don't expect you to solve things like that by hand. If I ever put something on the exam, it would be super, super easy to solve, like either, probably not even a quadratic, probably just like x plus 10 equals something. Okay, so that part I wouldn't put on the exam because it would be way too difficult for you to try and do in class quickly. But for the homework, you are welcome to use any tools that you find online if the algebra is too difficult to do within just a couple minutes.